Sir, I got TR for high level LDL cholesterol.
Okay.
Yeah.
But that is controllable. You know, you can control it and.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What about the conference?
Sir, conference also went pretty well. Sir, there was a thing that I did not write in the SSB that I could not shave my beard. So he asked me that, why didn't you shave your beard? So I don't know how this thing clicked. I said, there was some happening in my house. So my parent asked me not to shave. But that was something I did not write. But sir, then this answer popped up. So I said, and I think he asked about stay and all. So it went very normal, sir. It was all okay.
So the time of waiting before your turn came for the conference?
Sir, it was comparatively higher than the other candidates. Comparatively higher, yeah.
Okay. So that is where, the borderline cases, I mean, anybody who is likely to be cleared or he's somewhere in the maybe even higher borderline. So there is some, discussion among the assessors on that. And which is perfectly fine.
Yes.
Now that you are through with this, and the medicals are also over. You
yes, sir.
Cleared with the medicals.
Yes, sir.
Right. So something you were mentioning about the medical, temporary rejection. What was that for?
Sir, I got TR for high level LDL cholesterol.
Okay.
Yeah.
But that is controllable. You can control it, and.
Yes, sir.
So these are the things, but what is at the end of it all, I think, getting through after you said almost 4 attempts of +2 level, and now this was the 5th one, right?
Yes, sir.
That's excellent. Now, anything else you would like to, share with the viewers?
Sir, about your course, that capsule course I took, I would say, sir, it was really helpful because it gives us to realize what we have done in past and how we are to present it. Moreover, you talked about things like anything that you are passionate about, you should be knowing about it, and many things that you told during the sessions. So that thing, sir, I think it helped me out to be very confident and ultimately good at interview portion. So it worked both ways. Firstly, it helped me interview, and the second thing, I was very confident because of them, because I had this realization that whatever I have done till now, there is something good that I have done. And people normally tend to ignore it. Absolutely. Which is not right, sir. And it is somewhere there which lessens your confidence while you are there in the SSB.
Yes.
So being confident is very important. Being chilled out is also very important. And definitely having a belief that you are the right person is indeed important.
So, that is the main aim, is to realize, your own worth.
Yes, sir.
Right. As far as the pluses are concerned, also to know where you lack and why you lack.
Why you lack, and moreover, how we can improve upon those things.
What have you been doing to improve upon yourself? So of course, it is,
sir, I remember
this plus what you have done.
Yeah, I remember, sir, initially when I joined the capsule course of yours, I said we are here to unlearn a few things and learn a few things. So quite a few things I unlearned, sir. Many things I unlearned. And of course, there was a great learning.
So that's very nice, and I hope you get your call soon. When is the course likely to commence? July?
Yes, sir, July.
July, right. I think the merit should be coming out by end of this month, perhaps.
Yes, sir, probably.
Yeah, maybe end of this month or early next month. So with that, Shivansh, wish you all the best.
Yes,
and God bless. Stay connected, right?
Thank you,
and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much. Then, sir.